Hi, welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for deep learning. Today we are going to continue the important thing, that is Generative Adversarial Network, GAN network, part 1 video. Here we are going to discuss the part 1 video where consists of what are the GAN and what is a generator and what is a discriminator with simple example. On the upcoming session, we are going to discuss the working method, everything, because it will be very useful for beginner and who want to learn about GAN properly here. So what are GAN? Generally, GAN was introduced in the year of 2014 and it can perform unsupervised learning task in machine learning to here. And also it can automatically discover and learn the patterns in input data too. And there are two models consist of GAN network, that is called generator, another one called discriminator here. Next, let's go. We are going to see the example here, because before going to here now, these two models always compete each other to scrutinize, capture, and replicate the variations with the dataset two here. So we are going to see the example here. So example. So the example, with the example, what you can get means we are going to predict which is the real node and which is the fact node at the end of this one, like that. Here, so it's an example, just not telling. Here the generator, here data set is there, 100 rupees is there. Here the generator is a neural network generate fact 100 roots here. Listen carefully. And the discriminator network which identify the real and fact nodes, whether it's real node or fact, like that. And next one. So this one, this you can look at this architecture helpful to understand far better. Moreover, the main aim of this generator is to make the discriminator classify its output as a real. Moreover, the part of the GAN trains the generator inputs. First one is noisy input vector. We'll discuss in the upcoming session, and followed by generator network, which always transform the random image input into a data instance, and followed by the discriminator network, which classify the generated data, very important, and followed by the generator loss, which penalize the generator for failing to the discriminator also. And the major motto, and you have to remember about this GAN network, it follows the back propagation method, because the back propagation method is always used to adjust the each weight in the right direction by calculating the weights impact on the output here. And also it also very helpful to obtain gradient, and these gradients can help change the generator weights here. So if you have huge number of data, where we can approach GAN or GAN2 here. And discriminator network. So once gone to the discriminator pointer, we have to remember it's also one of the familiar neural network that also helpful to identify real data from the fake data created by the generator here. And over the discriminator training data is that also come from the two different sources. One source called real data instances. It may be example, you can say real pictures of human, currency notes, etc. and are surrounded by the discriminator as positive samples during the training phase. Another source is called fake data. The fake data instances may be created by the generator, are also used as a negative examples during the training process here. So this thing you have to remember about the thing, like what is GAN, why we need a GAN, and what is the use of this generator and discriminator. The upcoming session we will discuss everything. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.